I first want to say thank you for allowing me to present to you how we're going to develop a very successful website for your university. First things first, relevant, carefully managed, and delivered content is key. It is the only thing, and it's the thing we need to develop right off the bat. First thing we're going to do is collect information via surveys, face-to-face surveys, and blog posts on your current website from everyone who has had, everyone who is having, and everyone who might have a future relationship with your university. By doing this, we're going to find out what they want from a website every time they come to visit. And we're also going to work with your content strategists to also deliver product that is relevant to your donors and your corporate sponsors as well. Once we get all this information, our goal is simply to deliver it to every kind of user you could possibly have. We're also going to sift out and eliminate outdated or irrelevant content. There's nothing worse than the message that's sent when a user runs across content that is no longer active or relevant. It sends the message that the university doesn't care. We don't want to send that message. It means this website will use the funnel approach. Wide top to cover a general audience that might happen by your website to ones who want to razor focus in on something very narrow at the bottom. We're going to deliver this to your prospective users. Now, a great example of this is the Bates College website, which has recently been reworked. If you see the navigation bar, just about everybody is covered here. Academics, campus life, admissions, alumni, parents, everybody's covered, and we know it's a very happy place for our students to be. If they want razor focus on academics, look at all the navigation drop-down bars and screens that appear to allow a person to go to any number of places to find the specific information he wants. We want the visitor to interact and do something on this website, to blog, comment, or question, but most of all, we want them to have a pleasant experience. Now, the next step is management of this content. Once the site is running, the content must be monitored, and we'll run our reports against the metadata and keep the search engines clean and efficient. We must maintain our content at least once quarterly, maybe more often than that, to make sure things are running smoothly. And the next thing we're going to do is retire the old content. We're going to run it against our metrics and metadata, and we're going to make sure that we remove any outdated content to make sure the interactive experience of a user is one that's positive. They're always going to go away with a positive thought about what's going on at our university. Now, we know it's difficult and it's often tedious, but it is possible to make a positive impression and satisfy the desires of each and every user, whatever their interest, that comes to our website. And we know we can only do this by working and planning together. Content is everything, but it must be carefully planned, executed, and managed. And this is what we plan to do for your college and your university to make this website one of the most pleasant experiences any user who comes to visit will have. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it.